Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the speech recognition feature in order to search for news on the Bing application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on this news button down below, and then tap on the microphone icon within the search bar that you can find at the top of the screen. So click on it, tap on OK to allow the app to have access to your microphone. Now you will be directed to your phone's settings, where you need to click on microphone, then go back to the application, and then you will be able to use the microphone feature by tapping on the microphone icon. So say something, keywords or something that you are looking for, and then you will be
Here is what I found.
Then you will be directed to the relevant results according to your keywords. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.